As someone who is always wearing sandals, I find my feet get really dry and I sometimes get cracked heels. So I am trying these foot peel masks. This was sent for my review, and this is the peach and aloe vera. I absolutely love anything with aloe. Smells super good. I am currently wearing a pair. So this is what they look like. So you do get two, well, technically four. So I have 1, 2, and then I do get another pack right here. Super simple to do. The directions are really easy to follow. You're meant to be soaking your feet before you do it for maybe, like they say, 10 to I think 20 minutes or so. I just kind of soaked them for like 10 minutes. And then because it's all full of like that liquid, you actually have to cut them open, and then you just kind of slip your feet in there, and then you keep it on for 60 minutes. And then when you take it off, obviously you just kind of wash your feet. And then they do suggest just like moving forward, just to be soaking your feet for 10 minutes. This is just going to help peel off all of that dead, dry skin. But yeah, smells really good. It actually feels really good. I was worried about like having these on. I mean, I don't think that you're meant to be just like walking around while you're wearing them. It's probably best if you're just kind of sitting, relaxing, doing a little self-care, which is definitely what I'm going to be doing after this. But yeah, I'm excited for some nice, smooth feet.